councils in Bamenda. I'm thinking about the councils in Kumbu, councils in Kum, and the councils in the Oku, Elam subdivision, Bengui, Zanjabi, where Oku, where my former Prime Minister come from, who is the current President General of the UN General Assembly for this year. So he come from my town, and his council is doing best in terms of cleanliness, in terms of recycling. So
what is your home city?
My home city is Kumbu. Kumbu. In the northwest region, Kumbo.
Kumbo.
Yes, so we want to have that sister city relation to copy from you and pest. So my mission coming here is to attend his retirement, to talk to him and then meet the good people around him so that we can copy all the good things and pest in Africa. Yes.
Well, let me show you my office.
Okay.